Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to log into X application using your mobile device. To log into your existing X app, or formerly known as Twitter, on your mobile device is quite easy. First of all, launch open X application on your mobile device, and from the main welcome screen, to log into your existing account, click on Login at the bottom. On the next page, you'll need to type in your phone number, email, or username associated with your X account. Once done, click on Next. On the next page, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password for your X account correctly. If you don't remember the password, click Forgot Password link at the bottom and follow through the password reset process. But if you do remember it, you can type it down correctly in the password field. Finally, click Login. If you've enabled two-factor authentication on your X account, you'll receive a code via SMS, Authenticator app, or email. Enter the code to confirm your login. Once all the details are entered, and if it is correct, you'll be logged in and you'll be taken directly to your X home feed. So that's how you can easily log into your existing X account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.